guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I have a weekend vlog for you guys. I'm super excited to be filming a informal video and just sharing my day-to-day life with you guys. I know a lot of you really enjoy kind of seeing the more informal side of me, and I love filming these types of videos. I love connecting with you guys, so I'm super excited to be filming today. So today's vlog is going to be super low-key and casual. It is Sunday, so I don't have too much planned for today, but pretty much what I'm going to do now is go make some lunch for my husband and I, and I'm excited to share this meal with you guys. It's super simple, super easy, and it's so delicious. We have been loving this meal. We're honestly kids. We like really simple meals. So I'm excited to show you guys how I like to prepare that. Then I'm just going to do some chores around the house. I have some laundry to put away, and then I want to play with our cat Sophie for a little. I want to show you guys her. I have a cat now. I have a pet, you guys. I did have a fish previously. If you guys have watched my vlogs, you know that was a pet that I had, Sapphire. So pretty much that's what I'll be doing, and then later today in the evening I'm going to be getting ready. So I'll do kind of like a get ready with me portion, a Desi get ready with me, because I'm going to be having dinner at family's house. So I'm super excited to just take you guys along with me. So I really wanted to talk to you guys about these lip oils that I've currently been loving. So this is the Quo Beauty lip oil, or Quo. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I get these from Shoppers Drug Mart, and I absolutely love them to moisturize my lips and hydrate my lips. I'm popping this on my lips all the time, you guys. I have been loving them so much, especially in the winter. You guys have already seen me use the coconut one as kind of like a lip topper, like a gloss with some lipstick combos. They have really nice shine. But yeah, I recently got the watermelon one and I have been loving it. So I just wanted to share these with you guys. They do retail for $10, but they last a really long time. I feel like the price is pretty good. So these have been my current obsession. I definitely recommend that you guys give them a shot. So currently my husband and I have been obsessing over these Zevia Halal corn dogs. They are so delicious, you guys. I know that you can't find these in Ontario. Like when I lived in Ottawa, I couldn't find these anywhere, but after moving to Montreal, I realized that they have this and it's so delicious. We used to fry them, but then recently we realized that we can air fry them and they taste just as good, and they're a lot healthier, and we're both really trying to watch our calories and be more mindful of what we eat. So air frying them is definitely a lot healthier. So here is the air fryer that we use. I'm just gonna set it up for 400. And I just want to pop these in here. Look how delish they look even before they are ready. Okay, so basically what I do is I air fry them at 400 for about like 7 minutes on each side. I'll like rotate it. So it says 10 minutes there, but I'll come check up on it and rotate it. And with the corn dogs, we've been loving having some of this California blend veggie mix. Basically what I like to do is prep this with some salt and pepper and maybe some oregano and some garlic, but that's pretty much it. I like to keep it really simple, and it's just so delicious. So this is pretty much lunch, you guys. This is my husband's because he loves ketchup with his corn dogs. So yeah, we have been loving this meal. It's so quick and easy, and it's so delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy some of this with him. So this is our cat, Sophie. Sophie, baby, Sophie. I think she's contemplating eating some lunch. She was taking a nap. Sophie bear. We recently celebrated her first birthday early February, and it was a lot of fun. We went all out for this little kitty. I'll try and post some pictures on the screen for you guys, but she is our love and light. We are so in love with her. She's such a cutie. She brings so much joy into the house and into the family. We love her. Angel baby, that's what I call her. My angel baby. Dopey. Yummy, yummy baby. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some laundry away. You wanna say hi? Say hi. Say hi. I'm just putting laundry away, and then look who showed up. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Alright, you guys, so I'm currently getting ready to go out. I am having dinner tonight at my family's house, my husband's side of the family, like I mentioned earlier. So I already started doing my makeup, so I'm just gonna go ahead and continue. So I don't think I'm gonna do anything else to my eyes. I pretty much just put on some eyeshadow, some smoky, nice brown toned eyeshadow. It's a nice neutral that'll go well with my Desi clothes that I'm gonna wear. And I'm just gonna go ahead and with mascara to wrap it up. So I have currently been loving the MAC Stack Mascara. This is MAC's new mascara. I recently did a review on this. If you guys wanna check it out, I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description. But you guys, I am obsessed with this stuff. It is amazing. So I'm literally just gonna use this to wrap up the eyes. No eyeliner, no lashes, and nothing else. I love this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. Just working on my brows right now. This is the Benefit Ka-Brow. It completely came off the packaging, but this is, actually sorry, it's not the Ka-Brow. This is the Give Me Brow. This is the gel brow product. I absolutely love this stuff. I feel like I always say Ka-Brow. That is the paint pot one. This is not it. This is Give Me Brow. I love this stuff. It really just speeds up my brow routine, makes it super quick. I love it. I'm going in with the NARS Laguna bronzer for contouring. I absolutely love this stuff. For blush, I'm going in to one of my favorite blush palettes at the moment. This is the Beauty in a Blink Glow Getter Face Palette. It has a bunch of highlights and a bunch of blushes, and I absolutely love this one right here. It's a little bit of a darker blush, and it's in the shade Ambitious. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. I did accidentally go in with a little bit too much, but that's okay. I'm just blending it out and softening it out with a little bit of setting powder on my brush. For highlight, I'm going in with Fenty Beauty, and I'm grabbing Hustla Baby. Alright, makeup is pretty much done. Last thing I have to do is my lips. So I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. And for lipstick, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Interview. Alright, so makeup is all done. Now I'm going to go ahead and get dressed. Alright you guys, so I'm all dressed and I'm going to go ahead and put on some jewelry. I'm going to start off by putting on these beautiful earrings that I wore for my engagement.
Ryan Little.
Next, I'm going to pop on this beautiful matching necklace. That looks lovely. I love this set. It's so cute. I wore this for my engagement. For bangles, I'm going in with these gold bangles that my mom gave me. I absolutely love them. Just going to pop these on. Super cute. And for rings, of course, I'm wearing my wedding ring. Absolutely love it. And then I'm going to pop on these two rings. So this is actually my engagement ring. And I'm also going to pop on this ring, which is from my aunt. It was a engagement gift from her. So that is pretty much it for jewelry. Right guys, so I grabbed my dupatta, and the very last thing I'm going to do is put on some perfume. This is the Burberry Her perfume. I absolutely love this perfume. It's one of my favorites. It's got such a nice, sweet, feminine scent. I am in love. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray a little bit on me. I love it. Let me show you guys the final look. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. This is the outfit and the jewelry and the makeup, everything coming together. So this is the final look. You guys can see Sophie in the back chilling. And I'm also going to take this clutch with me. This just has some lipstick, face powder, and of course my phone in here. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to check out more vlogs, make sure to check out my vlogs playlist. I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box. If you guys liked this video and you want to see more vlogs like this, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!